come to regulation of calcium. Okay. Now, in the body, there are different mechanisms to reduce the blood calcium level, and there are different set of mechanisms to increase the blood calcium level. Now, when the blood calcium level is decreased, two hormones come into the picture. One is called the parath hormone, which is produced by the parathyroid gland, okay, and vitamin D, or 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Okay. Now, 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol is a long name which basically stands for the activated form of vitamin D. Activated form of vitamin D. This you will be seeing in biochemistry. It's a very important question also as an MCQ. Vitamin D is the only vitamin which is also considered to be a hormone. Vitamin D is the only vitamin which is also considered to be a hormone. Right? Now, vitamin D, as you know, is readily available from sunlight. So, in the skin, it is found in an inactive form called cholecalciferol. 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 This cholecalciferol is converted in the liver into 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. This then moves to the kidney, wherein it is converted into 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Now, the easy way to remember this is, all you have to remember is one term, cholecalciferol. Okay, just remember one term, which is cholecalciferol. After that, whatever is happening during the process of vitamin D activation is only hydroxylation. So hydroxylation occurs first at the 25th carbon atom, causing 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. After that, another hydroxylation occurs at the first carbon atom. This in turn gives 125 dihydroxy. So 2 hydroxy groups, cholecalciferol. Simple. Got this concept? It's basically just hydroxylation. Okay, so first the 25th molecule gets hydroxylated, followed by the first molecule. So 1 and 25 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Now, the activation of vitamin D occurs in the kidneys. Okay. Now, the mode of action is as follows. Parath hormone is produced by the parathyroid gland. It causes resorption of calcium from the bone. So there is some amount of bone in the calcium which is ionizable or diffusible type. That gets lost. Parath hormone utilizes that ionizable or diffusible form of calcium in the bone. Other than this, it will also reduce the excretion of calcium. Reduce the excretion of calcium, and compensatorily, it will increase the excretion of phosphate. It will also increase the absorption of calcium from the GIT. Increases the absorption of calcium from the GIT. All these three roles are collectively played by parathyroid hormone, parath hormone. Right? 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol or vitamin D acts on the intestine by increasing the absorption of calcium. Increasing the absorption of calcium. Which are the cells which absorb substances in the small intestine? What are they called? What are those projections on the surface of the intestine called? Villi. Very good. Villi. The peristaltic movement is brought about by which group of nerves in the intestine? Very good. Myenteric plexus, also known as Auerbach's plexus. Very good. Auerbach's plexus, present between the middle circular and outer longitudinal muscles. Good. Which are the cells in the small intestine producing intrinsic factor? Good. Argentafin cells. Argentafin cells. What is the other name for the intestinal glands? Brunner's glands and crypts of Leberkuhn. Crypts of Leberkuhn. crypts of Leberkuhn and Brunner's glands. Good. Which are the cells producing mucus in the small intestine? Goblet cells, very good. Cardiac glands in the heart produce what? Cardiac glands in the stomach, sorry, not heart. Cardiac glands, mucin, very good, mucin. Gastrin is produced by which cells? Gastrin, pyloric glands, very good. Which are the two hormones that increase blood calcium level? Gastrointestinal hormones increasing the blood calcium level. Glucagon, sorry, blood glucose level, I'm sorry. Sugar, yeah, you're right. Blood sugar level, I told one. Yes. Glycitin and glucagon. Glycitin and glucagon. Which is the hunger promoting hormone? Ghrelin. Ghrelin is the hunger promoting hormone. Where are pneumotaxic and apneustic centers located? Pons, pontine centers. Which respiratory center is involved for gasping type of respiration? Apneustic centers in the pons. Very good. Hypoxia plus hypercapnia is what? Asphyxia. Asphyxia. Caisson's disease is the other name for? Decompression sickness. Very good. Decompression sickness. Decompression sickness. Most common type of hypoxia is? Hypoxic hypoxia. Very good. The duct arising from the pancreas is called? Duct arising from pancreas, Wirsung's duct. Very good. Wirsung's duct combines with the common bile duct to form what? Ampulla of Vater. What's the other name for the accessory pancreatic duct? Duct of Sartorini. Very good. Duct of Sartorini. What's the duct arising from the gallbladder called?
Cystic duct.
Cystic duct. Very good. Cystic duct. Agents that cause contraction of the gallbladder are called?
Shallow locks.
Agents that cause contraction. Yes.
Shallow locks.
Cholagogues is correct. Cholagogues is correct. Agents that cause release of bile from the hepatocytes?
Cholerorectics.
Very good. Cholerectics. Cholerectics are agents that cause release from the hepatocytes. Okay, good. Coming back to this, right? So here you have 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, which increases the absorption of calcium from the GIT. So both these actions in turn will elevate the blood calcium level and increase the, bring it back to the normal levels. Then you have factors which reduce the blood calcium level. So when the blood calcium level increases, the parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland, will produce a hormone called calcitonin. Calcitonin, which causes deposition of calcium in the bones. Easy way to remember, calcium in. It keeps the calcium in the bones. That's why it's called calcitonin. Keeps the calcium in the bones. Okay. So by this way, it brings more calcium ions and puts it into the bones. As a result of this, the serum calcium levels will drop. Blood calcium levels will drop. Right? So these are the three hormones which regulate